Hey everyone, this is a reminder that my AWS hands on intensive live training class is starting this Saturday. If you're still thinking about signing up, don't wait any longer. Sign up and let me help train you as well as mentor you to becoming a cloud engineer or solutions architect. I have several of my previous students now working at big name companies. In fact, I can count four that are now working at Amazon Web Services, three as solutions, currently as solutions architects. Yes, solutions architects. Previous of my students. Did I say that right? Yeah, my previous students, right, that I taught and mentored, right? They followed everything I recommended. Do your resume like this, study this, for a week, study that. It'll only take you 2 days. They did all of that. And now they are making six-figure salaries, right? With less than 5 years of experience. And some of them actually came to my class with no tech background. Sign up for this class. You not only get the benefit of me taking my time to mentor you, but I also give you, as you all are already aware, lifetime access. You never have to pay the monthly fee to my on demand course. So I know some of you might be thinking that maybe this is not the right, training for me. I'm already CCP certified. I tell you, sign up, right? Because at the end of the day, to really succeed in this field, you need a mentor. You will have my number to call me and text me about anything. I will help you with referrals. And yes, to be fully transparent, some of those students that got jobs at AWS, and other places, well, AWS here to be specific, I made a referral for them, and I put in some, worth them because I really do know them, right? I know how determined they can be. So if you are interested, please go ahead and sign up for my live training class starting this Saturday. Thank you all, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the class.